Did you know that over 30 million Americans are affected by chronic kidney disease, often without even realizing it? These daily habits could be putting your kidneys at serious risk. Kidney health is something we should all be mindful of, as our kidneys play a crucial role in filtering waste and excess fluids from our bodies. Many of us take our kidneys for granted, assuming they'll always function properly, but the truth is, our daily habits can have a significant impact on their health. In this video, we'll be discussing 3 daily habits that could potentially harm your kidneys, and what you can do to protect them. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any important health tips. Taking care of your kidneys is easier than you think, and it all starts with being aware of the habits that can harm them. By making a few simple changes to your daily routine, you can significantly reduce your risk of kidney disease. From the food you eat to the medications you take, every choice you make can either help or hurt your kidneys. It's essential to understand how your daily habits can affect your kidney health, so you can take steps to protect them. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the habits that can harm your kidneys and what you can do to keep them healthy. Excessive salt intake is a daily habit that can have a significant impact on your kidney health. When you consume too much salt, your kidneys have to work harder to filter out the excess sodium, which can lead to high blood pressure and kidney damage over time. High blood pressure is a leading cause of kidney disease, and it's essential to keep your blood pressure under control to protect your kidneys. The average American consumes way too much salt, with most of it coming from processed and packaged foods. Consuming too much salt can also lead to dehydration, which can further exacerbate kidney problems. Your kidneys need water to function properly, and when they don't get enough, they can become damaged. It's essential to drink plenty of water throughout the day to help your kidneys function at their best. Reducing your salt intake is easier than you think, and it starts with being mindful of the foods you eat. By choosing fresh, whole foods over processed and packaged ones, you can significantly reduce your salt intake. If you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Not drinking enough water is another daily habit that can harm your kidneys. Water helps to flush out toxins and waste products from your body, and when you don't drink enough, these toxins can build up and damage your kidneys. Even mild dehydration can cause a significant decrease in kidney function, making it essential to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and adjust your intake based on your activity level and climate. Dehydration can also lead to the formation of kidney stones, which can be extremely painful and even require surgery. Kidney stones are a common problem, and they can be caused by a variety of factors, including dehydration, diet, and genetics. By drinking plenty of water, you can help to prevent kidney stones and keep your kidneys healthy. It's also essential to be mindful of your urine output, as a decrease in urine production can be a sign of dehydration. Overuse of painkillers is another daily habit that can harm your kidneys. Painkillers, such as ibuprofen and acetaminophen, can be toxic to your kidneys when taken in excess. Long-term use of these medications can lead to kidney damage and even kidney failure. It's essential to use painkillers only when necessary and to follow the recommended dosage instructions carefully. If you're taking painkillers regularly, it's crucial to talk to your doctor about the potential risks and to explore alternative pain management options. The 3 daily habits we've discussed, excessive salt intake, not drinking enough water, and overuse of painkillers, can all have a significant impact on your kidney health. By being mindful of these habits and making a few simple changes to your daily routine, you can significantly reduce your risk of kidney disease. Remember, taking care of your kidneys is easier than you think, and it's essential to protect them to maintain overall health and well-being. Don't let kidney disease take control of your life. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an important health tip. In summary, being mindful of your daily habits is crucial for maintaining healthy kidneys. By reducing your salt intake, drinking plenty of water, and using painkillers only when necessary, you can significantly reduce your risk of kidney disease. Take control of your kidney health today by making a few simple changes to your daily routine. If you have any questions or concerns about your kidney health, be sure to talk to your doctor or a healthcare professional. The choices you make every day can either help or hurt your kidneys, so it's essential to be mindful of your daily habits and make choices that support kidney health. By taking care of your kidneys, you can reduce your risk of kidney disease and maintain overall health and well-being. Have you tried making any of these changes in your daily routine? Let us know in the comments. And most importantly, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more essential health tips.